Hello everyone. Today's our topic is word problems from exercise 5.3. So, if you have a look at the question, the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Then find his present age. So we need to find the Rahman's present age. So we don't know the Rahman's present age. So that's why I am taking it as Rahman's present age, some constant x. Then the Rahman's age 3 years ago. Rahman's age 3 years ago. The present age of Rahman is x. Then obviously 3 years ago it will become x minus 3. Then and 5 years from now Rahman's age 5 years hence. Here 5 years from now means after 5 years, hence also means after 5 years. So present age is x, then after 5 years it will be x plus 5. Then what he said now? Reciprocals. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So means this 3 years ago and 5 years after, those reciprocals sum. So x minus 3 reciprocal is 1 by x minus 3. X plus 5 reciprocal is 1 by x plus 5. These reciprocals sum will give us 1 by 3. So that is equals to 1 by 3. Now to solve this equation, I will do cross multiplication. X plus 5 into 1, x plus 5 plus 1 into x minus 3, x minus 3 whole divided by multiplication of the denominator, that is x minus 3 into x plus 5. So which is equals to x 1 by 3. So next x 2x plus 5 minus 3 plus 2 whole divided by first one into first one into second one, x into x, x square, x into plus 5 plus 5x. Next second one into first one into second one, minus 3 into x minus 3x, minus 3 into plus 5 minus 15 equals to 1 by 3. First numerator as it is, that is 2x plus 2 whole divided by x square plus 5x minus 3x plus 2x minus 15 is equals to 1 by 3. Now let us do cross multiplication. 3 into 2x 6x plus 3 into 2 6 is equals to 1 into this total as it is again x square plus 2x minus 15. Now this total left side I will take to the right side. So then we will get x square plus 2x minus 15 plus 6x I am taking to the right side, so it will become minus 6x plus 6 I am taking to the right side, it will become minus 6, which is equals to 0. So now if you look at this, x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 minus 21 equals to 0. Now again we need to go with splitting middle term into two terms. So x square minus 4x can be written as minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 as it is equals to 0. So If from these two I am taking x common, so remains with x minus 7. From these two I am taking plus 3 common, so remains with x minus 7 is equals to 0. X plus 3 into x minus 7 equals to 0. So here plus 3 is there, so x value we will get minus 3. Here minus 7 is there, so we will get the x value as plus 7. Age won't be in negative, so always the age will be in positive. So the present age of Rahman is 7 years. So present age of Rahman is 7 years. In the word problems, first we need to read the question properly and we need to try to understand each and every word of that particular problem, and then we need to solve it. Okay, let us look at the second question. In a class test, the sum of Maulika's marks in maths and English is 30. If she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product of her marks would have been 210. Then find the marks. So the sum of Maulika's marks in maths and English. So how many marks she got in maths? We don't know. So marks awarded in maths subject, I am taking it as some constant x. Next, then how many marks she will get in English then? It is clearly mentioned the sum of the two subjects is 30. If one subject marks are x means, so remaining subject will be 30 minus x. Next, if she got 2 marks more in maths, the first she got x marks, now she got 2 marks more. So that is nothing but x plus 2. And 3 marks less in English. In the beginning she got 30 minus x marks. Now she got 3 marks less. So 30 minus x is the beginning and now 3 marks less. Then the product of those marks, these 2 marks multiplication is 210. So let us solve it now. First one I am writing as it is, that is x plus 2 into 30 minus 3, 27 minus x is equals to 210. So now if we solve this, first one into first one into second one, x into 27, 27x, x into minus x square. First one into first one into second one, 2 into 27, 54. Next, 2 into minus x minus 2x, which is equals to 210. So now if we solve it, 27x minus 2x, 25x minus x square plus 54 is equals to 210. Everything I will send to the right side now. Minus x square will become plus x square, plus 25x will become minus 25x, plus 54 will become minus 54, 210 as it is, which is equals to 0. Okay, next, x square as it is, minus 25x as it is, minus 54 plus 210. Okay, minus 54 plus 210, that is nothing but 156 is equals to 0. So again here also same, we need to split the middle term into two terms. X square, here minus 25 can be written as minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 is equals to 0. So from the first two terms, if we take out x common, x into x minus 13 minus 12 into x minus 13 is equals to 0. So we will get x minus 12 into x minus 13 is equals to 0. Here minus 12 is there, so we will get plus 12. Here minus 13 is there, so we will get plus 13. X value is nothing but plus 12 or plus 13. So x is nothing but mathematics marks. So if maths she got 12 marks, if she got 12 marks in maths, then what about English? 30 minus maths marks, 30 minus 12, 18. In case if she got 13 marks in maths, if she got 13 marks in maths, then how many marks she will get in English? 30 minus 13, 17. So these two are the possibilities we have. Okay, then let's move to next question. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, then find those sides. So he clearly mentioned it is a rectangular field. So I am drawing one rectangle. And he is mentioning something about the diagonal, so I am drawing one diagonal also. So what he said now, diagonal is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So from this triangle, if I am taking this as the shorter side, so shorter side will become some constant x. So now diagonal is 60 meters more than shorter. So this diagonal will become x plus 60 because diagonal is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Next, if the longer side is 30 meters more than shorter side is x, then this longer side will become 30 meters more than the shorter is x, so this will be x plus 30. So now if we observe this figure clearly, that is right angle triangle. So we need to apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, that is x plus 60 whole square is equals to first side square plus second side square. First side x plus 30 whole square plus second side x square. Now we need to separate it, a plus b whole square formula. So if we separate it, we will get x square plus 60 square plus 2 into x into 60, which is equals to x plus 30 whole square. Again, this is also in the form of a plus b whole square. If we expand it, we will get x square plus 30 square plus 2 into x into 30 plus that x square as it is I am writing. X square plus 60 square 3600 plus 2 into 60 120 into x 120x. Next, x square as it is plus 30 square 900 plus 2 into 30 60 into x 60x plus x square. So left side 1x square, right side 1x square will get cancelled. So remaining all the left side terms I will take to right side. So the right side we have x square, that x square I am writing as it is x square. Next, right side 60x is there, I am writing that 60x as it is plus 60x. Right side 900 is there, I am writing that 900 as it is plus 900. Now this plus 3600 we are taking to right side, so it will become minus 3600. Plus 120x we are taking to the right side, so it will become minus 120x is equals to 0. Now if we solve this, x square only one term is there, so as it is 60x minus 120x minus 60x. minus 3600 plus 900 minus 2700, which is equals to 0. Now we need to split the middle term into two terms. So x square, I am splitting this minus 60 as minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equals to 0. From the first two terms I am taking x common, so remains with x minus 90, plus 30 common I am taking, so remains with x minus 30 is equals to 0. So we will get x plus 30 into x minus 90 is equals to 0. Here plus 30 is there, so x value will get minus 30, minus 90 is there, so we will get the x value as plus 90. Here x is nothing but the shortest side of the rectangle. So anyway, side of any rectangle won't be negative, so x value won't be minus 30, so x value is 90. It means the shortest side is nothing but 90. Then what about the longest side? Then 90 plus 30, 120 meters. Thank you everyone.